Hey everyone, it's Sebastian Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we're gonna go over on how to add the Facebook chatbot to your Facebook page. So we're here on our homepage of Builderall, and let's see, I don't have the tool yet. So one of the options I have is click on install more tools, or I can go to customize your back office. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on install more tools, and we're gonna go in and find the Facebook chatbot. So of course it's social media, so I'll click here, it'll be easier to find, and there it is. So Facebook chatbot, I'm gonna click on it and add it. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the dashboard, and let's see when it loads. Facebook chatbot. So I use this one a lot, so I'm gonna bring it up here just so I have it more handy. And then I click on it, click on enter. So the first time that you enter the chatbot, I already have it connected to my page. So the first time it's gonna look like this. You're gonna say continue with Facebook. It's gonna open up your Facebook page. Make sure this is your name. You gotta be logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and click here and log into the account that you wanna connect the chatbot to. So I'm gonna continue Sebastian. I'm gonna look at all the pages that I have. I don't want Gravity Sports because I don't use it anymore, so make sure that is unchecked. Everything else looks good. I'm gonna click next. Here you pretty much given options or clicking yes or no. The tool is gonna manage your pages, and you're saying yes. It's gonna manage your conversations in Messenger. You're gonna allow that too. And then, you go through all that and then hit done. That's it. So we've linked the chatbot to the Facebook page. We click OK. It's going to send us back to the Builderall chatbot. And here we're going to import the new Facebook page. I already have pages. These are the pages that I haven't added yet. So it gives me an option to add a page. So let's say I want to add this one, add a page, and it's going to load all the pages that I've added before, and there they are. So now that's all you have to do to add your chatbot to your pages. Now you can go in and start, doing flows and auto answers and subscribers and scheduling stuff, and so all the cool stuff that you can do with the chatbot. And we have other training videos that go into detail on how to use each tool, so check them out. So this was a quick video showing you how to add the Facebook chatbot to your Facebook pages.